Yesterday, the much-awaited AirPods 3 was officially announced, along with the new MacBook Pro, HomePod Mini, and more. In today's video, we will give you our first impression of the brand new AirPods 3. So without any further delays, let's jump right into it. By introducing the much-advertised spatial audio and implementing them to their next-generation AirPods, Apple has already added thousands of more customers in their ever-growing titan of an ecosystem. With the implementation of the H1 chip, the new generation of AirPods uses computational audio, which helps produce top-notch sound with adaptive EQ. Gone are the days where you had to worry about risking your precious AirPods to water exposure, because the AirPods 3 comes with an IPX4 protection for both the earbuds and the charging case. So challenging situations like sudden rain or a heavy workout in the gym are of no concern anymore. The audio quality has also seen a remarkable overhaul, with a custom driver and high dynamic range amplifier that plays the role of producing both rumbling and powerful lows and clean-cut highs. Apple's new design and the adaptive EQ feature will help you listen what you're supposed to. This new feature customizes the audio for you in real time according to your ear shape, so that you can experience the best sound technology it can offer. Forget about charging your AirPods once in a while, because with the AirPods 3, you'll be getting the increased battery life of up to 6 hours. Combining with the case will deliver you up to 30 hours of playtime. In a hurry? No problem, because 5 minutes of charge will provide you with 1 hour of listening time without any issues. Charging your AirPods case is also a piece of cake with MagSafe and wireless charging feature, making it more convenient than ever. Connecting your AirPods is now easier just by opening the case. One-touch setup is available with the AirPods, helping you connect it with all of your Apple devices. So that was the third generation of the AirPods with all the special features like spatial audio, dynamic head tracking, adaptive EQ, new custom design and driver priced only $179. So that was our impression of the third generation of AirPods. Are you excited to pre-order this? Let us know in the comment section. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.